welcome, and be welcome over here. We're gonna do a vid today about how to become the best trader in crypto. So we're gonna do a vid about how to become the best trader in crypto, best trading crypto. I'm gonna explain today step by step what tools to use when you're trading crypto. So I'm gonna show you guys a lot of information. It will be all basic. I will not go into details. But anyone that is trading crypto needs to use these tools to start trading crypto, because a lot of retailers are in the markets, they're trading crypto, and they really have no clue what they're doing. They're just trading based on some favorite crypto guru telling them to buy an asset or to buy a crypto altcoin just based on what he's telling you. That way is how you're gonna get wrecked. So today I'm gonna educate you guys how to protect yourself from getting wrecked and how to start becoming a good crypto trader, also a crypto investor. So I'm a crypto trader, and I am proud to say that I think that I'm the best crypto trader in the markets, and you know, nobody has shown me someone that is better. So for now, I haven't seen anyone trading crypto better than I do, and as long as I can't find another one, I'm proud to say that I'm the best crypto trader in the markets at this moment. So for now, we're gonna start. First of all, you need to have a Tradingview account. There's a link below. If you don't have a Tradingview account, it's free, so you don't have to pay any money for it or whatever. You need to have a Tradingview account. That's also what you're seeing on the screen right now. This is my Tradingview account. And okay, first of all, what you need is you need to understand the basics of Tradingview and how to trade, how to read charts, what these candles are, etc., etc. I'm not going to explain that today in this video, because I think that most of my viewers already have a Tradingview account and they know how to read charts. Technical analysis is also something that comes in a further stage, but for now it's just the basics and the tools to use. So there are a lot of trading course vids available free on YouTube, so don't pay any money for any trading course vid, please guys. It's all free. There are in many languages, in many sorts, the women, men, whatever, it's all out there. So please don't pay any money for trading course vids because they're already available. So that's the first thing. The next thing, if you're trading crypto, you need the M-Will Killer indicator. This is an indicator that I created, and no, I'm not going to shill it because it's a free indicator. I'm not charging any money for it, so it's just free. But you need this one to start trading crypto. You just need it because this thing is created on the US 500 chart and it works the same on crypto. So you need this indicator. How to get this indicator? There's a description below. When you're trading on one of my 3 partnerships, Weeks, OKX, or Messari, that's when you can DM me and you can get the indicator. So that's about the indicator. I'm not going to, there are a lot of vids about my indicator. You can check them on my YouTube channel. I made a lot of vids, and there will be a pop-up anytime soon about the indicator, so you can watch that vid and then you'll understand about the indicator. So that's the first thing that you need if you want to become a crypto trader. You need to understand technical analysis and understand how to read charts. So that's number 1. When you're all done with this, the next step is you need to have Messari.io. I have no partnership with Messari. I have no, they're not paying me to say this. Messari is also free. They have a paid version. Don't use the paid version. The free version is more than enough. So all you need is just go to Messari.io. I will leave a link below. You can use it, put it on. You need this one. So why do we need this one? When you're trading crypto, you always have to know what the market cap is of a crypto asset, not what the price is. There are some people I know, when they come into crypto, they buy the one that has got the most zero. So 0.000001, and then they're like, okay, that's the cheapest one, so let's just buy that one with a lot of money to make the biggest gains. That's not how it works. It's not about the price of a crypto asset. It's about the market cap of a crypto asset. So you always have to check the market cap of a crypto asset. So I'm gonna give you guys an example of a crypto asset, and I'm gonna teach you guys and show you guys why it's so important to use Messari.io to track if you gotta buy this coin, trade it, you gotta long it, you gotta short it. So let's just pick one of those. Let's just pick render. Let's just pick render. Let's see if render, when you click on it, then this will happen. This is what you're going to see. Well, the Messari webpage is very slow, by the way. It's very slow. So first of all, why is this so important? I'm going to show you guys what's very important. Over here at the left side, you're going to see the volume. The volume is very, very important when you're trading. And I'm going to get to that in a later stage. For now, what's very important is the market cap. So over here, you're going to see the market cap. So the market cap of Render at this moment is almost $4 billion. This is a lot. This is a lot. For an altcoin, 4 billion is a lot. There are, if we would go to Ethereum, that's got a much bigger. So is there any Could this thing go much further up? Yes, but it will also determine for you as an investor how much money are you willing or going to make. So if you have like 5K and you want to make 5 million with your 5K trading or investing, well, render has to do, you have to see it like this. So your 5K, if you would buy render now, your 5K, it means that render needs to go to $8 billion market cap for you, for your 5K to become 10K. Do you understand this? You have to, I'm going to repeat it. So the market cap needs to double for you to double your money. And that's why the market cap is so important. So if you want to risk more, high risk, high rewards, you need to buy an asset that doesn't have a big market cap just like Render does. Because suppose that Render was just like at 30 million, there's a high chance that it would go from 30 to 300 million or to 3 billion to make 100x. Because the chances that Render will go to 300 billion, that chance is very, very low. So understand why the market cap is so important. So it's not about the price. So the price that we're seeing now currently, it's at $10. It's at $10 at this moment. So the price of the asset doesn't matter. Don't look at the price of the asset when you're trading. Another thing that's very, very important is the fully diluted market cap. It's over here. $5.3 billion. So the fully diluted, in the best scenario for an investor and trader would be if the market cap would be the same like the fully diluted market cap. If the fully diluted market cap is higher than the current market cap, it's not an asset that it has got the best chances to rise. Because why? There is something going on with the tokenomics, and there are some coins in circulation or not released yet that could be dumped on the market. So in the best case scenario, it's when the market cap and the fully diluted market cap are the same. But this is not the only thing, because there are a lot of altcoins that do have the same market cap as the fully diluted market cap. You need to do your fundamental research on altcoins. So a project needs to have some live in it. Do they got some events or whatever? So then we'll go to the next one. That is very important. Coinmarketcal. So over here you can see, you can find the events that's going. This is very important for traders that want to trade going into an event. So what they do is when an event is coming up on some altcoin, it has to be a solid event, a big event, a mainnet or whatever. Most of the times what happens is people or VCs or whales, they buy into that altcoin, and at the event, that's when they start dumping. That's what happens a lot on crypto. And that's why it's so important to keep an eye on events on altcoins. So you can check it on CoinMarketcal.com. I use this. It's also free, guys. Nothing is paid. It's all free. You can just go. And there are other platforms also. So if you want to use another one, use another one. But it's very important to keep an eye on all the events happening on altcoins. And why is it so important? Because it's very important to know where the money is flowing to. So that's very important. So that's about CoinMarketcal. Another one that's very important for the traders, especially the leverage traders, is this one. It's CoinAlyza.net. CoinAlyza.net. I will try to give you guys all the links below. So I will try to share all the links that I'm talking about today, so you can all get on this webpage. What does this platform shows us? It shows us, especially for the leverage trade. So this is for the leverage trade. You need to know how the funding rates are. And why is it so important to know about funding rates? It's because it shows you who is paying who. You've got, when you're leverage trading, if the funding rates are in the red, in the minus, it means that shorts are paying longs. If it's green, it means that longs are paying the shorts. So let me give you guys just one simple example. Let's just go BITH. We talked about BITH in the private today in the trading course vid. Let me show you guys BITH, for example. BITH is all in red. So this means when you see this as red, it means that there are a lot of shorts, and all those shorts are paying the longs every 8 hours. And be careful, guys. Why is this so important? Why am I showing you this? This is a reason for whales, market makers, to start wrecking retailers shorting BITH at this moment. That's what this is showing us. A lot of times when you see red numbers like this, especially when they keep going up, because this 0.19 seems not a lot, but it's a lot, guys. When you're trading like 5K on a 20x or 50x, it's a lot of money you're going to pay to those longs. And market makers like to wreck retailers that are trading, shorting, when this funding rate is very low. So you have to be very careful. And when that happens, you're going to see a lot of liquidation. So the best scenario is when this thing is in green, and that's when a solid funding rate is running, and that's the best case to trade. So my advice to leverage traders, I'm not going into a lot of leverage trading information today. The trading course vids, I do that in the trading course vids. But my advice is, when you see something like this happening, when the funding rates are going up or down very fast, just do not trade that asset. just don't trade it, because there will be a lot of ups and downs, and in the meantime, when that happens, that's when you will get totally wrecked and liquidated. So the funding rates is also, check all the funding rates on the altcoins that you're trading. So this is really on the short term for the leverage traders. Another one that you need to have on your desktop, that's the economic calendar. You need to know what's going on in the world. A lot of crypto traders, retailers that are trading, buying crypto, they only focus on crypto and what their favorite crypto guru is yelling, shouting, of getting paid to tell you. That's not how it works, because crypto is very correlated to financial markets and also very sensitive to what is going on in the economic world. This economic calendar shows you what is going on in, especially the ones that you have to focus on is the United States. Jerome Powell, just like you're seeing over here, Jerome Powell is going to give a speech over here. If this guy says something wrong, it could dump the markets, it could pump the market. So because if the financial markets will dump down, your crypto will probably also dump down. If the markets pump up because Powell is out of the sun and very bullish on whatever, that's when Bitcoin and crypto will also pump up. So that's why it's very important to keep an eye on the economic calendar and what's going on. Is there something? Because you can put it over here, you can see it, put it on 3 stars, don't put it on 1 star. I put it always on 3 stars. The 3 stars show you the real important events going on economic in the world. So the economic calendar is also very, very important. The next one, very, very, very important. It will be this thing. You have to check this thing. This is the token unlocks. So also I will leave a link below for this webpage. You need to know when you're buying altcoins, when you're trading altcoins, you need to know how the tokenomics are. Is there any unlock going to happen soon, or maybe in a later stage, and how much coins are getting locked up and how much coins are unlocked? This is something you keep an eye on. So like today in the trading course video, I explained them exactly how to read this and how to act on this and how to trade on this. By the way, the free private group, it's a free private group, just like it's the Gain Trading Crypto free private group. If you want to join the free private group, it's very simple. You don't have to pay for nothing. Everything is free. The only thing the team requires is that you trade either on weeks, the best non-KYC USA Canada licensed exchange in the world. So that's weeks. The second one is the second biggest exchange in the world, OKX, or the Degen platform Messari. So you have to be trading on one of these 3 exchanges. The links are below if you're trading anyway. If you're trading anyway, it doesn't matter where you're trading. Why not trade on one of those 3 and use the links below? And those will give you access to the annual color indicator, and they will also give you access to the free private group. It's only for active traders, by the way, leverage and spot traders. The only requirement is that you active trade. So why is this so important? Because if you're holding a lot of BIT, if you bought a lot of BIT, look at this. The total unlocks are like 15%. So this means that another 85% will get unlocked again. And when those unlocks happen, people get a bit shaky and they start selling their bags. And if you're a long-term holder, you will get destroyed in the process. So it's very dangerous to hold altcoins long-term when the fully diluted market, the spread is too big, and also when there are a lot of unlocks coming up. So that's why you also see a lot of altcoins that are fundamentally very strong, but the tokenomics are just not as they should be. People are very scared when, like BIT, these guys maybe they bought in BIT at 1 cent or 2 cents or 20 cents or 10 cents or whatever. So they are in huge gains. So when they get their tokens, and those are a lot, by the way, almost $1 billion in tokens, what do you think these guys will do? Do you think they will hodl, or do you think they will dump those coins on the markets? We just don't know it, but most of the times they will get dumped. So that's also something very important, this tool, to have it on your desktop. So these are all tabs that I'm showing you that are very important, that you keep an eye on them so you can track down if you go long or you go short or you're gonna do whatever. So these are, by the way, guys, just the basics. Let me go to the next one. Next one is the crypto bubbles. Why do I like the crypto bubbles? It's not because it's going to help you in any way. It's going to show you where the trend is. So over here, you can put it on the day, you can put it on the week, you can put it on the month, you can put it on the year, and that's how you can see, like this year, what are we seeing? We're seeing a lot of meme coins that made a lot of, and a lot of AI coins that made a lot of gains. So that's what we're seeing. We've got CAS and we've got Tau, those who are really the big winners. We've got Arweave making a nice run the past week. So this gives you a look from, wait a minute, Matic, look at it, 18%. Maybe Matic is a good investment. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. I'm seeing Atom, also a very, very great project, 20% low on the year. So these are the things why I use crypto bubbles, and you can put it even on the 1 hour. So it shows you what's going on. Like now we're getting a bit of red, and this could be different in an hour. So this is how you read it. And so crypto bubbles or whatever bubbles you want to use. So this is how I show what this shows me. So guys, these are the basic things when you're trading crypto you need to watch. There are a lot more things that you guys really need to check, and I'm going to deep dive in them. If you want the detailed ones, you need to join the free private, but I will make how to become the best crypto trader part 2, and that's when we will dive into another tools that are very important for everyone to check, and how to check sentiment, and how to check if you should sell, if you should buy, whatever. So this is part 1. Have a nice one. Show some love. Push on the like. Leave a comment below. Appreciate it. And bye-bye.